In the next few minutes, you're going to learn how to make an investment account. I was going to make a regular taxable account, also known as a brokerage, and went completely off script and made a Roth IRA. Now, the difference between making the two accounts and setting them up is there is no difference. The goal is to try to beat the clock. Charles Schwab estimates it takes 10 minutes to make an account. Let's see how fast I can do it. At the end of the video, you're going to see some cool fun facts about Roth IRAs and investing in general. Don't forget to drop a like before this tutorial gets started. Here we go. In the next 7 to 10 minutes, I will make a brokerage account. Now these 7 to 10 minutes ultimately can change your life. What is going on with my hair? Oh, I look nice. Here we go. This is gonna be me making a brokerage account. I'm making it for my mom. I want her to get the $100 bonus for making Charles Schwab and transferring $1,000. Alright, let's do this. I'm gonna be looking over here on my computer, so eye contact is important, but
I'm looking at your soul.
so here we go. On Funancialism in the next 7 to 10 minutes. Oh, right here on the screen it says open account in about 10 minutes. I'm gonna be making her, let's see, should I make her a Roth IRA? Went completely off script. Or just a regular brokerage account. I'm gonna make her a Roth IRA over here. She already has one, but I'm going to make her a second one just so she has Charles Schwab, and maybe she'd want to compare how her two IRAs perform. That's a cool thing to do. I do that with my brokerage account. I have one for Charles Schwab that I bought on Doomsday, which was the lowest point so far in this whole crash that's going on in 2020. So I actually got in at the bottom. That portfolio is doing fantastic, up nearly 50%. Extremely rare. Comment below if you'd like to see a video about me going through my Charles Schwab portfolio. We got some stocks in there that are up nearly triple. Okay, Roth IRA. I'm gonna set a timer, so I'm pulling out the phone. Let's see if I could actually beat the clock. So this video might skip ahead at points, but hopefully the timer will adjust to that. Okay, here we go. Start. Okay, Roth IRA, continue. I said continue. It's loading. This isn't fair. It's taking up time. It's taking up time. What?
What?
Wait. It said the link has expired. Let's try this. Let's try it. I'm adding the code. There's no way. Oh, looks like it worked. Ask and you shall receive. Okay, hurdle 1. Yes, I have a lot. No, I am new to Schwab. Shoot, I'm gonna have to know her email and confirmation. Oh gosh. Hey, don't look. Typing in that social, you definitely cannot see this part. Date of birth, login ID. I'm gonna give her a password. Ooh, the passwords don't match. Strict, okay. Everything's inputted. A Roth IRA lets you put money into your account. It's for retirement. You cannot withdraw it until you're 59 and a half. This money grows tax-free. Yeah, no, you just put no for everything over here. Fudge all this. Okay, I am about halfway through the process. Let's hope I make it. No, I don't need no options trading. Options trading is a form of gambling. You're speculating, you're betting on whether stocks are going to go up or down in the near future, and you kind of place a bet. No, I don't want to add any primary beneficiaries. You kind of place a bet, and if you bet wrong, all your money is gone by a certain date. Okay. Yeah, I'll do another. Yeah. I am a non-professional subscriber. Acknowledge that I read. Okay, we're trying to beat the clock here. We don't have time to read. Oh yeah, I'll do some cash back. No, the IRS has not contacted me. Yes, I am a citizen. Yes, I am signing this agreement. And I am submitting this form. Hopefully they will not come at me because I am not my mother. And anyone who has watched Psycho and knows me and my mom, or Bates Motel, they always make that comparison, and I don't know why. Oh, am I done? Are you serious? Are you serious? I made this account in 4 minutes and 43 seconds. in 4 minutes and 33 seconds. I'm done. Now I can contribute 4 minutes and 51 seconds or less. I don't remember what it was, but it was under 5 minutes it took me to make this account. Brokerage, under 5 minutes. Thank you very much. And these 5 minutes before I go, these 5 minutes, potentially thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars down the line. I mean, the average millennial spends $400 on eating out every single month. That is enough to almost max out your Roth IRA. That is enough. You'll be about $1,200 short. But $500 a month maxes out your Roth IRA. That's what I just made for my mom. Now she's in her 50s, and when you're over 50 for a Roth IRA account, you are allowed to contribute up to $7,000, and that extra $1,000 currently in 2020, that extra $1,000 is what's called a catch-up contribution. But a 50-year-old investing like $5,000 or something every single month is the same power that an 18-year-old has investing about $300 a month. Hey, Funancialism, I was gonna subscribe to the channel and drop a like and comment on every single one of your videos, but I feel like you're selling something. Can you just be honest and tell me what you're selling before I click one of these videos popping up, like the one right over there, all the way there? Generational wealth. Go ahead and click it.